Most men don't realize this, but the fastest way to make a woman lose interest is simple. Give her too much attention. Not confidence, not respect, not kindness, attention. Because attention is the one thing women get more than men ever will. And the moment you give too much of it, she stops valuing it. Let me break this down the way no one ever told you. Scene 1. The beginning. When a woman first notices you, she feels a spark. Not because you complimented her, not because you texted back immediately, but because she felt uncertainty. Uncertainty creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. Attraction creates effort. In the beginning, she studies your replies, your tone, your patterns. She wonders, does he like me? Why is he so calm? Why isn't he chasing like other guys? This mystery is powerful. It makes her invest. But the moment you start dumping attention on her, the charming messages, the quick replies, the emotional paragraphs, you kill the very thing that made her attracted in the first place. Scene 2. The shift. Here's the truth. Women don't get addicted to attention. They get addicted to earning it. If you shower her with attention without making her work for it, she instantly knows, okay, he likes me more than I like him. And that's when the shift happens. Her replies get shorter. Her tone gets colder. Her interest fades. Not because you're a bad guy, not because she's toxic, but because you stopped being a challenge. Humans don't value what's easily available. And women are especially wired this way because of one thing: abundance. She already has 20 guys ready to compliment her, 10 guys ready to text her good morning, 5 guys ready to give her attention within seconds. So when you act like one of them, you get categorized with them, just another guy. And once you're in that category, you're done. Scene 3. The psychology behind it. Let's go deeper. Women don't lose interest because you care. They lose interest because you stop valuing yourself. When you chase, over-explain, text too much, reply to fast, give compliments without balance, try too hard to prove you're different, you switch from confident to predictable, from masculine to needy. And the moment she feels you need her more than she needs you, she pulls away. Because attraction for women is emotional, not logical. A woman doesn't fall for the guy who gives the most attention. She falls for the guy who gives the right amount, at the right time, with the right energy. It's not about ignoring her. It's about not proving yourself. It's not about acting busy. It's about actually having a life. It's not about playing games. It's about not chasing validation. Scene 4. When she starts losing interest, you'll notice it. She replies slower. Her messages get dry. She stops initiating. She becomes busy. She starts saying things like, I don't know what I want. You're a great guy, but I need some space. She doesn't need space. She needs the feeling she lost, the feeling of earning you. And here's the brutal truth. You can't bring it back by giving more attention. That makes things worse. You bring it back by doing the exact opposite. You stop feeding the monster. You pull back. You become silent. You become grounded again. You give your attention to your purpose, not her. Because when you stop giving attention freely, your value rises again. Scene 5. The comeback. And here's what always happens. The moment you stop chasing, stop giving instant replies, stop treating her like a prize, she becomes curious again. Why is he so calm? Did he lose interest? Is he talking to someone else? Did I misjudge him? That curiosity brings back the spark. And that spark brings back attraction. Not because you played a game, but because you restored the balance. Women fall for men who value their time, their energy, their attention, not men who hand it out like a free sample. Final message. So here's the lesson most men never learn. Attention is not attraction. Attention is currency, and the more you give it, the less it's worth. A woman won't lose interest because you like her. She loses interest when you make her your focus instead of your standard. Give attention, but only to the woman who invests back. Give effort, but to the woman who matches it. Give energy, but only when she respects it. Because the moment you stop giving attention blindly, you stop losing women, and you start attracting the ones who actually see your worth.